Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting everything you want inside the zip and opening your compression tool. This is where you control structure and permissions. Once done, choose Create Archive or Add to Archive so the tool builds a container for your files. Make sure to select ZIP format if compatibility matters, and pick AES 256 encryption when available to protect contents. You need a strong password at this stage, because that password is now focus on the encryption and archive options, so the zip actually becomes locked. You will enter your chosen password and typically must retype it to confirm. Do that carefully to avoid typos. Check the box to encrypt file names when the tool offers it so directory listing is hidden until unlocked. Also set compression level and split volume only if you need smaller parts. These do not affect security, but do change how you transfer or store the archive. Finish by creating the archive and then immediately test it. Try opening or extracting with the password to confirm access and that file names are hidden. If you get errors, make sure you use the exact password and the same encryption method. AES 256 versus standard ZIP differs. If the tool rejects extraction, try a different extractor that supports the chosen encryption. Finally, keep an uncompressed backup until you are confident the lock and recovery process works, and store the password in a secure manager.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.